So this is a hook spinner blaster, so called because it's got hooks and they spin around. And the sections that have just gone in are about to be blasted. And what you're going to see is you're going to hear the motors firing up. And so here and here, motor 1 and motor 2, these fling a wheel around very, very quickly. And in a second you're going to hear that, and that is the steel shot, which is this stuff. And that is sent into the wheels, which fling it at great velocity against these sections, and you can see the chains moving up at the top, and those chains are moving so right now they're going in opposite directions, so they are rotating the radiator sections, and then in a second they'll stop and they'll go both in the same direction, which will send it back and forth and spin it around and round, which allows the shot to get a real good angle on every single surface of the radiator section and clean them up extremely well so there's no rust, and it also smooths the surface slightly. And you can see then the shot left inside, and we simply just knock that out and it tumbles out no problem at all.
So that machine there, the blue and yellow one, my son Nick bought, 5-7 years ago.
6 years ago.
6 years ago. Prior to that we had just one shot blaster, and that's it, right behind me. Just open it up. And this one's a bit different from the other one, because here, instead of the radiators being suspended and the whole lot turns round, this one has a table, and the table turns round. Now then, Nick mentioned a wheel which flings out the shot. Little granules of iron. That wheel at the back, see the shiny wheel at the back? That spins at a great speed. In fact, there's one at the top and one at the bottom, if you look. They both spin at great speed and fling this shot out at these radiators, which are slowly rotating.